Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired December 8th, 2025. The topic of that episode was Safety Found Outside Numbers. Swami, your insights.
To live under the protection of divine law requires conscious awareness of the immortal self. However, thinking about is far from being conscious of.
Looking for the safety of the true majority? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam